Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. You can see that I'm at my OlympTrade dashboard and I'm gonna withdraw $2,000 from here. Alright, I have already requested the withdrawal and I'm waiting for it already. It's been 2 minutes that I'm waiting. You can see my available balance that is 6,589 and I have requested a withdrawal of $2,000 and it's from my USD account. Alright, and it's saying that 97% of withdrawals requests are processed within 24 hours. So it's already been you can say 7 minutes that I have requested a withdrawal. I haven't received it yet. As soon as I'll receive the notification, I'll show it to you guys more. I just got it. Let's see. Alright, so here you can see Binance deposit confirmed. You can see the date here is 2023 23rd of January, and you can see the time right now. And let me show you the UTC time as well. Alright, so that you can verify that it has just happened now. Alright, so here you can see that it's the UTC time, and you can see here that it's just I got the balance deposited into my account, and you can see that deposit confirmed. You received $2,000 into your Binance account. So it took about 8 minutes or so to reach my account, but eventually it did. So it's doing a great job. All of you you must know by now that I give OlympTrade signals, and here you can see that my signals are working fine, working great. All of the signals resulted in massive profits. This guy, he got a new PS5 in just 2 weeks time. Alright, and I was so happy for him, and people are sharing their screenshots with me. You can see all these profits that we are making over here. Each day, every day, we are making good profits. Alright, and for shitcoins, all those who are interested in shitcoin signal, I posted a poll here. It means that 100% of you are interested, so I'll highly recommend you to go to my YouTube channel. Okay, go to my YouTube channel. Let me show you. Go to my YouTube channel, and this is my YouTube channel. Okay, here you have to go to this playlist section. In this playlist section, you can see various playlists, and this is for shitcoin. Okay, this is for shitcoin. Moving over, this is for OlympTrade. Alright, so you have to go to this shitcoin thing, play all, and from here you can see that all of these are ways how and where you have to buy, and everything has been guided in this video. So you all have to follow all of these playlists. You must follow this playlist because it's very important. So this was quite it about the video. I hope to see you guys a new one. Thank you.